Muslim Personal Law Board has completely opposed the Law Commission's exercise to formulate a uniform civil code and its questionnaire seeking public opinion. In a press conference today, the Muslim board called the law panel an agent of the government, one-sided, and attacked the Prime Minister for creating an internal war-like situation. The Law Commission had sent out a list of 16 questions to gauge public opinion on practices and customs that had been branded anti-women in all three major religions. The Commission has fixed a 45-day timeline for receiving responses from the general public as well as all stakeholders.
इस सिलसिले में लॉ कमीशन ने एक क्वेश्चनायर अपनी वेबसाइट पर लॉन्च किया है और पूरे मुल्क से राय चाहिए है कि हमें गवर्नमेंट को अपनी रिपोर्ट भेजनी है। इस सिलसिले में हमें क्या करना चाहिए, लोगों की राय पर गौर करते हुए इसके सिलसिले में गवर्नमेंट को लॉ कमीशन राय देगा।
And Justice B.S. Chauhan, chairman of the law panel, spoke to A. Vaidyanathan, my colleague, and said, I will not comment on the All India Muslim Personal Law Board. We go by the constitution and the will of the people. We don't want to force any majority view on minorities, and we are here to find out the will of the people. We have put out the questionnaire in the public domain so that all stakeholders may respond.
It is on the initiative of the Supreme Court that the Government of India through Law Commission is taking the opinion of all the stakeholders. And through the stakeholders, they will form a considered opinion and then give it to the Supreme Court to make a final judgment. Now, it is for the Personal Law Board to consider whether they wish to be a part of the stakeholder or they want to be an individual identity. It's their call. But as far as the Government of India is concerned, it is the initiative of Supreme Court that the Law Commission is taking the opinion.
किसी धर्म के बारे में आप कह रहे हैं, इनका फोकस है मुस्लिम, सभी कहने के लिए है, लेकिन ये मुस्लिम 3 तलाक से ये बात शुरू हुई है, तो ये मुस्लिमों में न 3 तलाक है, 3 तलाक तो और कहीं नहीं है, और वो तो दूर की कौड़ी है जो कॉमन सिविल कोड की बात कर रहे हैं। तो इसीलिए इस तरह का बहस छेड़ने का समय नहीं है, और इनकी मनसा है पोलराइज करना सोसाइटी को, वो करना चाहते हैं।
शुरू से इस बात को कह रहा हूं कि हिंदुस्तान जैसे एक अजीम मुल्क के लिए, जिसकी ताकत उसकी डाइवर्सिटी और उसका प्लुरलिज्म है, बल्कि हिंदुस्तान की रूह है उसकी डाइवर्सिटी और उसका प्लुरलिज्म है। और अगर आप यहां पर यूनिफॉर्म सिविल कोड के नाम पर किसी चीज को इम्पोज करेंगे तो ये उसकी डाइवर्सिटी और प्लुरलिज्म को खत्म करके रख देगा। इसलिए कि इसको अगर आप सिर्फ मुसलमानों की नजर से देख रहे हैं तो ये बहुत गलत है, क्योंकि हिंदुस्तान की डाइवर्सिटी प्लुरलिज्म में मुसलमान भी है, उसमें दलित भी है, ट्राइबल भी है, हमारे हिंदू भाइयों के मुख्तलिफ तहजीब और उनके तमद्दुन है।
Personal Law Board is not a body which represents the entire community. Yeah, they are just another NGO. And we should give only that much importance to their view and not any more than that. And as far as the Law Commission's move is concerned, where they are seeking opinions of the general public and of various sections of society on the issue of law reform, I think it's a very welcome move, a very welcome step taken by the Law Commission of India. And it's not as though the Law Commission is only talking about triple talaq and the rights of Muslim women. The Law Commission is also talking about share in property by the Hindu women, the share which gets denied because of customary practices. The job of the Law Commission of India to have law reforms such that all Indian citizens become equal, and such that the discrimination against women and all other Indian citizens is addressed.